Here's a pair of the Soundcore P31i earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go ahead and take the earbuds out of the case. You can put them in your ears or you can go ahead and lay them down. And once you're there, next thing is we want to go to the settings on your Mac. So top left hand side, let's tap on that Apple logo. We're going to go to system settings here. Now from here, we're going to go to Bluetooth, so select on Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on up there. And now if we scroll down under nearby devices, you should see this little thing that's spinning here. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Now it did find the Soundcore P31i. If yours doesn't appear down here, then you may be connected to another device like your phone. If that's the case, go to your phone and disconnect or remove the P31i earbuds from your phone. As soon as you do that, it should automatically go into pairing mode. It should pop up here. Another thing you can do if it doesn't pop up down here is simply just factory reset these. Okay, if you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area. Anyway, you did find the P31i here. I'm gonna hover over here, click connect. Okay, looks like we're connected, and you can see that it says connected right here, and we have 100% battery juice on these earbuds. Pretty simple.